Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to create the first Spring Maven project. Simple, simple Spring application, right? So as a Maven project we are developing. Because we know that what is the advantage of Maven. So no need to download and set the build path to required jar files while running the application. From the Maven repository, whenever whenever you are creating the application, right, what all the dependencies required, right, all the dependent jar files required, it will download and it will maintain to run your project. So that's why it is easy to create the Spring Maven project. We'll see how it will. See, I'm using the Eclipse, and now just create the Maven project. Here it is. Just go to the other, then you can search if it is available, then or else simply search like this Maven project and click on next. And the next one, it is showing that option is a create simple project. Create simple project and click on next. Here it is expecting that group ID. Here any group ID you can give. Just like your package name we are giving. Just simply here it is, I'm giving that com.example is a package name. And this is, or better, is a package name is a Spring Core. I'm giving like this. Spring Core. And so what is that artifact ID? Is that application name is a Spring application 1. Spring app 1 I have given like this. And just click on finish by giving these two details. Then automatically the project will be created. The project will be created, and here it will show that everything. See, slowly it is collecting all the dependencies, what all the dependencies required. It will collect one by one, one by one. Now, as usual, we are creating, we are creating the program. And whenever you are creating the program, slowly all the dependencies, all the jar files will be collected. How I'll show you. For example, I have already explained theoretically, right, how to run the first application and all. See, here I have already documented. I'm creating one simple employee bean class. I'm showing, package name is a com.example in that I'm creating. In this main, just right click, new, and give the package name. I'm creating just a class. Package name, I'm giving that com.example. And in that, I'm creating the name is employee. The bean class I'm creating just with one field, just with a one field. Here the field is employee class, which contains, class is employee class, and with the field is employee ID, and here it is get and set methods we need to write anyway. And this is ready. The second one is, here we need to create the beans.xml file. Of course, any name you can give. Right here, that XML file, I'm giving that mybeans.xml file. So where I should create means what? Resources, right click, resources. Here it is a XML file. If it is not available, so don't worry, just search for XML file. Now here XML is any name you can give. mybeans.xml file I have given. Finish it. Here it is a, now here source. Click on that source. Then just give some Spring related information about the beans it will give, and followed by com.example employee. We are representing with the ID name is employee, and here we are giving that employee ID value is 12345. I have created this one, mybeans.xml. So beans is ready, and next one is the employee bean class is ready, and that setting up the bean configuration is also ready in XML file. Now to test, right, is the main class is required in com.example only. I'm creating one main test, that is employee test name I have given, employee test. So in this one only, in this one, I'm just creating that employee test class. finish it. Then I'm just copy paste the thing what I have given. Now here, whenever we are writing this one, first of all, we need to add some dependencies. We need to add some dependencies, because whenever you add the dependencies, all the things will come. Suppose in form pom.xml file. This is important. pom.xml file. In this XML file, we need to add some jars. I mean, add some dependencies here. Dependencies. The dependencies also I have already documented. The documented here, just dependencies what we need to add. Core and context we are using. As of now, these two enough. The dependencies, two dependencies we are adding like this. Two dependencies we added. Whenever we are adding these two dependencies, when you save, see, look at this. Whenever you are, as soon as you are saving, automatically what Maven repository is doing is downloading what all the jar files required. Core logging, right? I already told you that commons.logging is very important. Core, context, AOP, beans, what all the things required, all things will be downloaded automatically. That is the advantage of Maven. That's why we are creating the Maven repository. No need to take care of downloading the jar files externally, and no need to set the build path. Now see, previously it is giving error now automatically all errors will go on in our main application. Simply, when you just run the application, run as core application, Java application, then automatically it will execute, and if you see, the output will come. This is the simple way of creating the Maven project using the Java Eclipse IDE. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you all.